Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create masks in Figma to combine images in creative ways. It only takes 5 simple steps. First, you'll want to arrange your layers properly. Click the image that will serve as your mask shape and drag it so it sits above the image you want to mask. With your layers positioned, select both of them together. This tells Figma which elements to combine into the mask effect. Now head over to the right side panel and look for the More Options button under the Design tab. Give that a click to reveal additional layer actions. From the menu that appears, select Use as Mask. This is where the magic happens. Perfect! Your mask has been applied and you can see how the top layer now shapes the visibility of the layer beneath it. That's all there is to it. You now know how to create masks in Figma. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and images to create unique compositions.